Hey everyone, so instead of giving you just one example of an assignment, I want to show you an example of how a bunch of assignments can be woven together into a unit. And so I'm acting as Connor Sullivan here in Honors Pre-Calculus with Victoria. Victoria's done a great job with her modules, making them both clear and easy to follow, but also full of a lot of great detail and all the different things that students will need to work through her course. So let's jump here to Unit 6. That was done fairly recently. And so, nice introduction here, connecting to the picture that she used before. You'll see this language as a class throughout a bunch of these assignments to try to make it very clear to students. One thing I should tell Victoria is I think they're adding in equation editors to our thing, but that's for a side conversation. Anyways, so as you can see, again, very clear. As a class, we're going to do this. On your own, you're going to do this. The assignments the worksheets are put in as PDFs so they can download them to Notability. It's very clear what this relates to from both the title here. Here, repeated messaging is important. She has her answer keys up there. So if the student wasn't in class or wants to go back studying for a test, it's all there. Jumping to a little bit different assignment on your own to watch some videos. Great job embedding these so they're not jumping over to Khan Academy and getting lost or going over to YouTube and getting lost, but including them right here. Again, always very clear in the directions, and we're just moving our way through. I mean, I'm not even in this class, and I know exactly what is being covered, when it's being covered, and here's an example of some homework assignment that he has submitted, and you can see that it's right directly below where he submitted it. It looks like he did this on Notability. It's graded, he knows his points values, and he also can see the answer key that she's put up here, the solution set, because it's right embedded in the doc as well. So again, super helpful not only for that particular time, but as he goes back and tries to study for a test. Again, nothing overly complex here, but just clear and simple, and has the necessary information. Take notes using, again, it's like very action oriented, what students have to do, and including that PDF right there. The style continues, not only with these banners, but it has the worksheets there, it has all the things in there. So again, it's very easy for a student to understand what's going on. Using numbers here as this assignment gets a little bit longer, and again, just making sure to always have things linked to. You know, as I said kind of just a second ago, as someone not even in this course, I could jump in and start taking this course right away because I clearly see what's to come. Now we have a test, it's graded, it's in here you can see these green marks, as Victoria likes to say, are right in here, so students know exactly what their grade is. They can look back if they have any cumulative assessments going forward, but again, very clear as to what the feedback is, what their work is, and that completes the unit, I believe, unless there's a reflect. Yeah, so this is the study guide, so that was also in there, and a reflect. Yeah, there is a reflect section, and Connor did this on paper, but again, see, it's right in the exact same spot, and they have access to all their attempts. So a great flow of the unit. We can go back and look at those units, or this particular unit as a whole. If I just scroll down to this parametric equations and vectors, how that all flows together. So a great example of making great assignments and weaving them all together very well in a way that's easy for students to follow. So great job, Victoria, and hopefully other people can learn from you. This is terrific stuff.